we're going to do in this video is show you how to read a Motorola radio using MOTOTRBO CPS 2.0 software. First thing we've got is a computer with the loaded software. Always open the software first. If you connect the radio then open it, it can be a bit sluggish. Next one we have a radio, which is the Motorola R2 radio, brand new. Comes with a list of accessories, belt clip, battery, which is what we need, and last but not least the antenna. This is the replacement for the DP1400. Battery slides on like so. Yeah. Next thing we need is the programming cable. This is the PMKN4128 Alpha, which is actually the same programming cable for the Motorola DP1400. So if you have the old radios, you can still use the old programming cable. You have to buy a new programming cable. The programming cable connects in here. It's a similar connection to the DP1400. Connect it to USB port. Connect your radio. Oh. Once connected, power on. Make sure the radio is at least half charged when you're working on them. The last thing you want to do is write to a radio when the battery's about to die. So we're powered on, radio's connected, you can hear the bleep in the connection. Go to the top corner. You see you've got the read tab, hit the read button. Now what it's going to do is read the code plug in the radio. What we'll do on here is we'll make any changes we need to make. This is the same process whether you're programming a Motorola DP4400 or the Motorola DP1400, the R2s, the R5s, the R7s. All the radios are programmed the same from the DMR range. Hit OK. You'll now have a summary of what the actual radio has in it. If you go to device information, this will actually tell you the frequency, the serial number of the device. Just a quick important note. If you want to edit this and send it back to the radio, you have to write if the serial number is the same as the code plug. If it's different, i.e. I connect another radio up, I would then clone back. To write back to the radio after I've made my changes here, I just simply go up to write, hit write. It'll now send the information back to the radio after I've made the changes. It'll then power down the radio and reboot the radio. Once it's rebooted, then it's completely done. Yeah, that's it done now. If you want to save the code plug, simply go up to the save button, hit save. It'll then ask you a place to save it on your computer. If you want a report of it, go hit the reports button. It'll now tell you your channel configuration after you've edited it, and it'll also give you a customer handout where you can actually see the buttons you've configured on the radio and how many channels are on the radio. This is good for printing or saving for future reference. If you do need a genuine cable, please look in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel to help it grow. And watch out for our next video.